Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. I apologize if it is a little dark on these intros. It's kind of dark here yet. It's 6:19. The date is August 4th. So we're back on the lake again today. I am back on the lake that I just did previously, where I caught the 10. Reason why I came back here is I feel there's still a big one in here that I missed now two times. One I saw and I know it was big, and the last time I just purely missed it. I had it on for about probably a couple minutes, and not even a couple minutes, just on and off, and I felt like a big fish. So that's why I'm back here again. And so with that being said, let me get all geared up here, and we'll see if we can get a big one today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. All right, people, here's the first cast of the morning. Just going to do some vertical jigging here. It's my method of fishing a jig. It's supposed to be pretty low wind day today. Whether that's going to help me or not help me. It seemed like the other day when the wind picked up, that's when I started catching the fish. I'm going to run 5 rods today. I got the jig on here, which is it's been really good, especially last time with the 10 fish. Got 2 flavors of blade baits. I got a segmented swim bait on, and I have a frog on. We had just a mega storm the other night, rainstorm, and I don't know if that's going to affect the fishing today. So I'll just try to find them again, I guess. Took me a little bit to find a pattern the other day because of all the bugs. See, there's a few in here, but not too many this time. I was plowing the jig right in the mass of the bugs, and that's when I started getting my bites. Oh, I missed one right there. I missed one. See if I come back and get it. See if you come back and get it. Let's get back out there. And on the edge of those lily pads there. You come back and get it that time. It's 6:40. It's a little chilly this morning. Yeah, the rain really cooled off the water. It's only like 71 on the surface. A couple more casts here and we'll move up a little bit. One more cast here, and we're gonna move on up there. All right, I think one more cast. I want to see. I want to cast one in the shore there. One time. Like I said, I might have to find what they're doing today with all that rain that came in. I mean, I slept through the rain. I heard some of the thunder boomers, but I had a little bit of rain that came through my windows that I had to go and mop up. That's how much it rained. One more cast. The one, I think, that big one was right alongside these lily pads. Seen them turn this way. There we go. There we go, people. First of the morning. It's not the big guy, but it's there. Small guy, but it's a good way to start the morning. Here, mister. This little one. About a pound. Thank you. Start the morning off. All right, let's move on back up here. Work this lily pad again. So I guess that hasn't changed as far as the depths. It's getting a little warmer out here now. Of course, it's colder inshore. It's the weather. Let me get on the other side of these lily pads here and work this drop off. There we go. underneath that dock. Underneath that dock. It's a little one. Yeah, there it might be shallow. Mister. Oh, a little better one. A little better one. Thank you. Number 2. It's right at that dock. Let's get turned around here. Kind of looking at the leaves. I don't like the way they're looking. It's kind of looking like they're going to maybe want to start changing pretty quick. We had such of a harsh winter last year. I really don't want to deal with another one of those. But when you're in Upper Michigan, you just never know. And that's part of our problem, though, is as far as big fish. They really don't have a whole lot of time to grow. As far as amount of time, we have actually warm weather. I mean, it's been a cold summer again. Got a couple warmer days coming up. Let's see if I can get another one off the stock here. I don't know if that fish followed it in, or it was just hanging out there because it's a little bit warmer. Try the other side there. This might be a day where we got to finesse. Fishing is all about patience. These other 2 docks down here, I caught some fish off there last year. So one's a little deeper, one was underneath that dock. He was hungry too. He really swallowed that thing. My son and I were going to go down to Green Bay for vacation. I'm going to see if I can sneak him into Cabela's for a few minutes. Can show him all those all those animals. A couple more casts in here. I'm going to start working those other docks. I'm going to follow that other shoreline over on the west side there, or north side, and throw some blade baits there again. Seems kind of weird though. I had fluorocarbon on all my rods, or all my reels, I'm sorry, and seemed like my fishing dropped off a couple days. And I pulled it all off and put up all mono back on, and things increased again. I don't know what the deal is. Let's see if I get under by that dock again here. Perfect cast. That one kind of bit weird and really swallowed it. He kind of just, I think he just had it in his mouth on the bottom when I made my vertical jig. That's when I felt him. Oops. I guess that's a pretty perfect cast there. I think that was a bite. Felt like something there. Let's see if we can get it back over there. Oh, I thought that was a fish. I've been just getting tangled up around the tip of my rod. I got some weeds on there. Couple. Kind of nice. I've been catching a lot of fish on a jig that keeps me. Last year I probably wouldn't got it checked out. I heard a pop when I was casting. It was later in the year, and this year it's kind of been bothering me just a hair. In fact, I was going to put a compression sleeve on today. Fishing compression sleeve. All right, people, we got one on here. It feels like a nice fish. Don't get me down in those lily pads, buddy. Don't do it. Oh, he did it again. Oh, it's a nice fish too. It's a nice fish too. Oh my God, what am I gonna do here? I'm gonna lose this fish. I'm gonna lose this fish. Oh, I'm gonna lose this fish. Now it's caught around that lily pad. Where is he? And I'm wrapped around my rod right now. This is a fiasco, people. This is a fiasco here. I'm gonna lose it. Where is he? It's a nice fish too. Come on, buddy. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's my biggest fish of the year. Right there. Whew. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. That was about 4 pounds or so. 3.5, 4 pounds. Now let's get out of here and work this area again. Well, that was a fiasco. That was a fiasco. I wonder what that is. That was a fiasco. He was hooked really good. Strong line, got him out of there, but the wind kept on blowing me. The wind kept on blowing me. Yeah, the wind is stronger than the 9, for sure. Let's cast this again. He was hanging by that dock too. He slammed it. He slammed it. Right away, he got me down to those lily pads. And I tried to give him line. I got him. I guess that's the most important part. I'm down in the weeds now, I think. Yeah. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Let's see if I can get another one in here.